The shopping carts overview allows you to see all the current shopping carts. So basically, these are all customers that added certain items into their shopping carts but did not yet go towards the checkout. On this tab itself, you will see the complete overview. You will see when the shopping cart has been last updated, when it's created, when the flow was, the customer, the items, and what the total pricing is. You can even press the items button. This will give you an indication of what is included inside this particular shopping cart. So if we press this button, you will now see the cart items. In this case, it's the men's t-shirt with a price of $24.99. The quantity is set to 1 and also the subtotal will be shown as well. So the shopping cart gives you a good overview of what is happening at this moment in time inside your own web shop, inside of your chatbot. The shopping carts